guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to add foiling to like some things that you may write, whether it's calligraphy or just like something that you draw. Whatever it is, I want to show you guys how you could add foiling because a lot of you guys have asked me. I posted a photo on Instagram and a lot of you guys were like, ooh, how do you do that? So when I posted the photo, I was creating like foiling with days of the week, and I did a silver foil, and then I'll show you guys I also did a gold foil, and a lot of you guys wanted to see how I did that. So I actually bought a foil pack. I will link it down below, but it has like different foils, if you guys could see like different options of foiling. So you could use something like that, but you don't have to. You could just do this with any kind of even like image that you find online or wherever. So I'm going to show you guys that way, only because maybe some of you guys don't want to buy the foiling, so that's fine. So I'm going to open up a new screen in PROCREATE, and that's the app that I am using. I'm using an iPad Pro 11-inch. You definitely need an iPad Pro to be using, I think, Apple Pencils with the touch sensitivity. I know generation 6 and 7 iPads also work with an Apple Pencil, but I do not think they have like the touch sensitivity. And by that I mean when you're drawing a line and you're pressing lightly, it's a thinner line, and then you press harder and it's a thicker line. So just something like that I think is only available with the iPad Pros. To get started, I'm just going to I don't know, let's write the word hello. So I will also have this brush set linked down below. I didn't make it, but I like the brush set. So I'll have this linked down below in case you guys are wondering what brush I'm using. So it's a iPad lettering bounce brush, but I will have like that link down below for you guys. I also really like the original calligraphy iPad lettering brush. Some of my favorites, and I actually don't like how I wrote that O, so let's just redo it. Okay, so this says hello. Okay, if I want to add an image, let's open up a new browser, and I'm just using Safari. So let's say I want to add gold glitter background. Okay, if you want to do foiling, you could do that however you want. Let's just find one that I like. Okay, so maybe we'll use, ooh, this rose gold one is pretty. You could either save this to your camera roll now, or you could just take the photo, drag it and drop it, and now it imports this as a photo into here. Obviously you want something that's like a good quality, but you can also just save it to your camera roll, and I'll show you guys that one. So if I saved it to my camera roll, I could also just go into here where you're clicking on this wrench, then you're clicking in add, which is the first one, insert a photo, and you would look through your camera roll and find your photo. I think I have like a glitter background here somewhere. So then there's also this glitter background that you could just add in. So I'm going to keep both of them just so I could show you, but I'm going to turn that background off. This one is a little grainy, but we're going to use it anyway. So what I'm going to do is put this hello layer on top of the rose gold. So I just switch the layers around. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to tap select, and that selects my hello. Then I'm going to go to that rose gold, and I'm going to click mask. So now that is masked, I can move this hello layer underneath to create my shadow because it created another one, and then I can move that shadow around, and now I have like this hello in rose gold. And you could do this with any kind of image, if it's something like a watercolor that you draw or whatever. So I'm going to show you another one. I'm going to turn off those. I'm going to move the hello layer on top of the gold now. Okay, and I turned back my gold layer on. I'm going to click on the hello layer again. I'm going to click select. Then I'm going, and you guys could see it creates like little lines in the background. If you guys could see that, it's just selecting the hello part and nothing else. Then I'm going to go back to my layers. I'm going to click on the gold glitter layer. And if you want to do clipping mask, you could do that. And then it'll just mask it together without giving you that background in black. But I like to keep my original. So I do mask. And then my hello in black is on top. So I'll move that to the bottom. And you guys could see I have my hello in the gold. And then my black layer, I could click on that, select that, and then I could move that out to create a shadow. So it's not hard at all to do this, and I just wanted to show you guys how to do it since a lot of you guys have been asking. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. If there's anything else you guys want to know how to do, just let me know, whether it's in the YouTube comments or on Instagram, and I'll be sure to film that for you guys. But I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!